and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or if you just clicked on this video, I'm working as a dancer on a cruise ship and I'm just like making videos about day to day, what I'm getting up to, the reality of actually working on a cruise ship, what it's really like and everything that I have to do while I work on this cruise ship. So today I'm actually going to take you along backstage and I'm just going to clean and fix some of my costumes, and I'm going to do this over the course of a few days because obviously like we do 4 shows and we have quite a lot of dance numbers in those shows, so there's quite a lot of costumes to clean, to sew up, to fix. And basically there's no one like dedicated to fixing costumes or cleaning costumes for us. It's something that we have to do while we work on board, and like we're 100% responsible for our costumes. So if anything is damaged, stained, anything, it's our fault. So we have to really make sure that we take care of our costumes. So I'm going to go backstage now and just like pick out a few costumes and give them a good clean. And basically the way I'm going to do it is I'm not going to wash any of my costumes that I need to use tomorrow, because even though they probably would be dry, I just don't want to take the risk, and I have so many, so I just like don't need to focus on them. Okay, let's go. Okay, so there's like no massive method for how to do this. It's literally just like you have to hand wash all your costumes. So I'm literally just in the bathroom backstage, and what I've done is I've separated my costumes. So let's see how I go. So these are the costumes I'm going to wash now. I'm literally just going to fill a basin up with water in the sink and then hand wash. Oh my god, it's actually pretty stressful trying to wash these costumes in like such a confined space. I've literally like stripped right down. I'm sweating. It takes like a good bit of elbow grease to get like all your makeup and like your lipstick and everything out of costumes. Dead. But it's okay, I'm getting through them all pretty quick now, and at least they'll be smelling nice. Because that is actually disgusting part of being a dancer, is that like you wear the same costumes for shows like day after day after day, but you don't wash them all the time. So on this contract they kind of get us to wash them as like we desperately need to. Like obviously if you really need to wash your costumes, wash your costumes, but they say to give them like a really good wash halfway through your contract. But it's good, it's all good, we're doing what we love. I am actually so tired. I don't even know what to say. We are so close to the 52-day cruise. We've been doing like short cruises now for quite a while, and my god am I ready for a break. But we don't get a break yet. The 52-day cruise, the long cruise where we'll have hopefully a few days off, does not restart straight away because we have to go straight into rehearsals. So I'm just like trying to prepare myself. I mean, I was so tired and I'm like trying to keep it together, but you know, whatever. I'm just like taking my hair out now because it's been in plaits all night, and basically I have to go and do photos because it is the first day of the cruise. So I'm heading off to do photos. I haven't done them for like 2 cruises now because it rotates between people in the cast, so that's good. So the last like shaman, we're in shaman in China right now, the last shaman I was able to get off, but I'm just taking my hair out of plaits right now, if you can see that. So basically, like with like when you're like doing so many shows and when you're pulling your hair in and out of wigs, putting heat on it all the time, hairspray, everything, it like can get so damaged. I'm trying my best to do like hairstyles where like I don't have to use too much heat. So if I wasn't gonna do like, I don't know what you call this, like crimp it, I would have had to have put probably some heat on it or like straightened it or something. So I thought this was a good idea. It looked a little bit like Hermione Granger, but that's alright. But yeah, I thought this was a good idea for photos because I wear like a hat, so it's grand. Like you only see a bit of my hair, and if it's like kind of has some type of style on it, it should be fine. I put a tiny bit of makeup on, like I put lashes on just so I don't have to put mascara on. And honestly, like after doing so many shows, ripping eyelashes on and off, I don't even think I have eyelashes anymore. Like honestly, I used to be able to put like mascara on and like be grand, but I don't really feel like I can do that anymore because I've just like, I think, ripped half my eyelashes out. Just keeping it real, life of a dancer, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna head off and do photos now, otherwise I'm gonna be late. Okay, so today is the second day of a 4-day cruise, and so basically today should be our day off, but of course, as it always is, it is not. So we're actually doing something really exciting today. We're learning a new show. So we're about to go on a 52-day cruise. So up until now we've been doing 4 and 5-day cruises, and we're about to start like a really long cruise of the South Pacific. So for this, they're teaching us a new production show. So literally in 5 minutes we're gonna go and learn the first number to that. So like I am definitely feeling a little bit like, okay, I need to concentrate, I need to be on my A game, I need to like make sure that I know what I'm doing. So after like rehearsals, it definitely taught me a lot. I feel like, yeah, like you need to learn the choreography, that's number one of course, but it's more than that. It's like you need to know the details, exact like way they want you to walk, or like exactly where your head is, like really paying attention to details. So like now that I've been through rehearsals, I feel like this time I'm gonna really try and focus and like tune in on like the finer details and things that like I wish I had kind of like picked up faster in the last set of rehearsals. So yeah, just being honest, like I don't feel like I like absolutely nailed it in the last rehearsals, but that's okay, because it's like, you know, we're all learning. But yeah, this time around I really want to like prove to myself, like not to anyone else, just to myself, that like I can do that, I can achieve that, like tune in faster kind of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna go for our first day of rehearsals of the new show, so that's good. And then after that I think I'm gonna go to the gym with Flavia and Michaela, because I definitely want to like try and get into shape for all the bikini photos that we're going to be getting on the long cruise, because we're literally just going from island to island to island, so it's going to be like beach, 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 beach. So we're all very like, right, okay, bikini body, go, let's go. So we're going to do that. And then after that, I'm not really sure what I'll do. I might like go do some dancing with Jack, and then I have golden party duty tonight. And this morning, the reason why I have like makeup on is because we did the fashion show. So I showed you that in an earlier vlog if you've seen that. So we did fashion show, which is literally like we wear all black and we walk around with different jewellery, bags, sunglasses, the works, and we show them to the passengers so that they, if they like them, if they want them, they go buy them. So that's the gist of that. So yeah, I got up early this morning, did that, and it was an hour back last night, so I didn't start this vlog this morning because honestly I was dying, but it's okay. Like I wasn't like up all night or anything like that. I'm just like, it's what, how many months are we? I think we're like nearly 6 months in now if you count rehearsals. Oh yeah, oh my god, we're nearly 7 months in. We're actually nearly 7 months in. Oh my god, yeah, so that makes sense. 7, 8, 9, yeah, there we go. So we're definitely all like getting a little bit more tired, but everyone's doing really well actually. Like no one's losing, they're absolute marbles, so that's good. But yeah, okay, so I'm excited for this, so let's get going. And that's a wrap. Why are my ears so big, people?
What?
My ears.
Oh, but your face today is so nice.
Oh, right, I think my face is nice for once.
I go into gym, do you go?
Yeah, I go.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the
Classic struggles of never having the right currency.
if you don't wanna change.
We got on a shuttle bus bus, but it is not taking us to the right place. So Nicole's just chatting to the taxi man, trying to get him to understand where we need to go. So Nicole has the sush leading the way. Is following our tour guide. Oh, come here is best. So we're finally here at the light display. My camera's about to die. So we made it here in the end, actually getting the wrong bus and getting in the, I don't know, the craziest taxi driver that I've ever been on in my life. So we're literally here and it's like so gorgeous. Yeah, that is couple girls. Take a look at this, they're married.
Hi guys and welcome back to Bee's vlog. Today we're in Hong Kong and we took a taxi which cost $90 to get here. $90? We were all skint. Shut the coats, Hong Kong dollars.
Yeah, we paid 90 Hong Kong dollars too. There was 4 of us, so f*** it.
Yeah. Okay. So it's on my new phone, so I actually don't know like what this is gonna look like, but we're literally here now. So I think what we'll do is we'll watch this light display, I'll try and get some footage of it, and then we'll go for food, maybe a coffee, and get back on board to start rehearsals for the new show. I'm so nervous for this, by the way.
I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
This is very good.
I think we made one mistake by getting too much sushi. That's good.
No more, yeah.
He needs to hide the amount of plates he's eating. Still going. Still going.
Okay, eat this one.
It's like one of those eating challenges. How?
What?
Oh shit.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
You don't like? Oh. You like? The Italian. The Italian.
Se no me apporte le coffee.